Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to play Steam games on your mobile phone without using a PC. First, unlock your mobile device and open the Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in Steam and press search. Now look for the official Steam app from Valve Corporation. Tap on the Install button. Once the app is installed, open it. You will now see the login screen. Enter your Steam account details and sign in. If you don't have a Steam account yet, you can create one by tapping on the Join Steam option. Follow the instructions to set up your account. Once you're signed in, leave the Steam app running in the background. Now, go back to the Play Store and type in GeForce Now in the search bar. This is a cloud gaming service that lets you play PC games on your mobile phone. If GeForce Now is available in your region, install it directly from the Play Store. But in case the app is not available in your region, don't worry. You can still use GeForce Now by opening your mobile browser. Type in this web address, play.geforcenow.com. Once the website loads, you will see a message about terms and conditions. Tap on Agree and Continue. Now, tap on the button that says Join Now or Get In. You will need to create a GeForce Now account if you don't have one. Sometimes, signups may not be available in certain countries. If that happens, try using a VPN to change your location. Choose a region where GeForce Now is supported, like the United States, then reload the website and try again. Once you've signed up or logged in, the next step is to connect your Steam account to GeForce Now. Look for the Connection section. From there, select Steam and follow the steps to link your account. And that's it. Thanks for watching.